I can't meditate. I don't know how. Here we go again. I don't. If someone would teach me, I'd do it all the time. I just don't know where to begin. I think we just begin. But how will I know if I'm doing it right? I don't know that there's a wrong way. Let's just try it. Oh, I've got it! What? The secret to meditation. I took these tips from Deepak, these from Wayne Dyer, love him. These from Taoism, these from the Buddha, these are from Oprah, these are from that meditation school that charged us $5K for the lucky mantra. Who paid for that? And these are from TikTok. Okay, ego, what's the secret? Ooh, I low-key want to hear this. Okay, you gotta sit upright. If your spine's not straight, no enlightenment. Lotus, hands on your knees, eyes closed. If you peek, it's canceled. Visualize complete silence. Observe the thoughts. 20 minutes in the AM and the PM. Any questions? So if we do this, we'll reach enlightenment? Oh, you're listening to her now. Trust me, I'm really smart. I did all the research. Okay. Oh, my back. What the Wow, it's really quiet in here. Oh, my knees kind of hurt. Hey girls, how's it going? It's not. I was just trying to help. This is why I don't meditate. It's impossible. I quit. Like we quit swimming? Way too cold. Understandable, but we didn't quit exercising. No, because there's a million other ways for us to do it. We just had to find the way that works for us. Exactly. A little research is nice, but research is not a substitute for experience. Reading about riding a bike and getting on a bike are two very different things. So let's get out of our heads and into our hearts. Can we do that, ladies?